Oh. Alright boys, welcome to a brand new video. Now today I'm going to be driving my A-Class, but we're going to be doing it POV style. So first ever POV type of video. So if you do enjoy this, leave a like down below. I'll give you a quick walk around of the car. It's a 2013 A180 Cdi to be exact. But yeah, let's get in. It's windy out here, so I don't even know if you can hear anything that I'm saying, but let's unlock it. Let's hop in. Oh. So yeah, now you can hear me better. We're going to be going for a little drive. Don't really have anything planned, but we'll just wing it, see how it goes. Right, I have no clue where I am. I've just gone for a drive to find a little spot to do this intro, and now, well, I'm lost pretty much, so let's give it a go. Alright. Oh wait, this is a good place to turn around. A respected A-Class driver uses their indicators. Oh wait, this is a good place to turn around. A-Class driver uses their indicators.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
The speed limit on these roads are like 60, but if you're doing 60 down here, then you're a different breed. I was coming down here earlier, yeah, no exaggeration, there was probably about 40 horses, all on like a ride or something, and I was stuck behind them for a good, oh my, there they are, I was literally talking of them. Jesus Christ. Okay, good parking, mate. On the corner, nice one. Oh, fucking hell. Thought he was just going to pull out. We're playing cricket. What boring sport. Oh, is this the end? Oh, I think it is the end. Oh, thank God. If you guys are enjoying the videos, the driving videos in particular, leave a like down below. Also check out all the socials, they'll be all in the description. I reckon this car's faster getting to 60 than what it's claimed to do. I want to try it out one time. I think it's meant to do it. What Mercedes claim is like 11 or 12 seconds. I reckon this is quicker than that. Feels it anyway. I must look like such a twat wearing a GoPro on my head. But you know what? I don't even care.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
Right, this is a very nice road to drive on. It's a good width, windy. Cyclists, for God's sake, they always ruin the fun. I think I'm losing brain cells. This GoPro head thing's on so tight. Can't wait for the day where I have like a little project car, like a little track car, do it up, strip it out. That would be so sick. Enter it into a few races. I'll stick a few pictures up on the screen, what I'm thinking of project car wise. Maybe like a Clio RS or a Cooper S. What's some other good little track cars? Maybe like Ford, Aston. Little Ford Fiesta, ST, maybe not an ST, I don't know. You'd want something a bit of power, but something that you can tune and that. I think that'd be so sick. Obviously, I'd film the whole thing. That'd be insane. To be fair, if any accidents happen and I'm covered, mate, I've got a GoPro on. I need to get a dash cam. Just if anything does happen, I can't get scammed. And if it is my fault, bin the footage. That's what you do, isn't it? Golf Rs are so nice. I well want a Golf R. I just feel like Golf Rs are so customisable. Like you can stick a fat exhaust on that. Side skirts, bumpers, spoilers. I feel like you could do that with this car. I don't know, it just wouldn't feel right as it's a diesel, you know? Having like all that and then you rev it and it just sounds awful. Can't remember why. There's a reason I didn't get the petrol version of this. I can't remember what it was. I don't know if it was more expensive or the insurance was more expensive. Can't remember. One good thing about diesel though is that they go a lot further on a tank of fuel. And for a first car, when you're at my age and you don't have much money to spend because you've spent it all on your first car, like me, every 50, 60 quid that goes in hurts a lot. So on that front, diesel is definitely better. I think I get about 45 mpg out of this, which is alright. See if we can overtake the BMW driver. See you later. And cruise control. Cruise control is such a blessing, honestly. Just stick it at whatever the speed limit is and then just sit there. Like look, feet is just not even on the pedals. If I need to brake, I can brake. It's such a relaxing way to drive. Apparently it's not very economical though, just because the car's always on the throttle. I don't know. But it has definitely saved me from, without realising, you just you creep over the speed limit. So it's definitely saved me on that front. The best thing about passing your test, especially because I was one of the first out of all my mates to pass, it's just, you have like so much freedom. Like even like your mates, like they have freedom as well, because like you can just go pick them up when they need. I don't know, it's that bit better when you're one of the first, because it's a new thing for everyone. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this again, another different style of video. If you have, leave a like and subscribe. Check out all the socials, they'll be down below. Yeah, I'm going to attempt soon to post twice a week. Now I can do so much more stuff because of this car. But yeah, I think that's going to be all today, guys. If you did like the video, leave a like and subscribe down below, and also check out all the socials in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching.
I've been on it every day now. I got money on my mind, now they better pay me. Bet they wanna see me way down. Overthinking every night, think I'm going crazy. Don't know what else I should say now. Early mornings, late nights, all I know lately. Cause I'm on it every day now. I know like I'll break you down, but it never